toasted coconut almond fudge cold brew drink made from the Bean Hoppers cold brew kit recipe. I'm Melinda with Bean Hoppers Coffee, and I created this drink in my own kitchen for you to try. So let's get started. We're going to need a mixing cup and a drinking cup. A way to measure your ingredients. So you'll need measuring cups and measuring spoons and all the ingredients for the recipe, of course. So we're gonna start by rimming our glass. We rim our cup by dipping the edge of the cup into the water. And then you swirl it around into the crystallized honey drink rimmer until it's thoroughly coated. Then you take your single origin chocolate. This is handcrafted by JT Cooper, and we are including a sample size of this chocolate sauce, which is amazing, in our cold brew kits. And so you want to drizzle that around the edge of your cup. I like to drizzle it kind of towards the top of the cup because then it all falls down in your cup and makes it look really cool. And we're gonna add your ice. Set that aside. And then in your small mixing cup, you're going to take 4 ounces of cold brew concentrate. I made this concentrate using Bean Hoppers Colombian Supremos coffee and used the coffee toddy brewer, and that's my favorite way to make cold brew. You should definitely check that out on the website. And then you're gonna take the Arroy D coconut milk. You can get this on Amazon. I'll provide a link below. It's the best coconut milk you've ever tasted, bar none. I've tried them all. I've bought every single one at the grocery store. I didn't like any of them. They were too liquidy. This one's nice and thick and super coconutty. So, and you can use save the rest in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. So 2 ounces of that, and about 1 ounce of milk of your choice. No matter what kind of milk you like, it's fine. I like to thin it out just a little bit because it's so thick and rich. This kind of just like brings that rich creaminess out a little bit. Then you'll add the toasted coconut almond syrup. Now the toasted coconut almond syrup is co-branded with Lieber & Co. They make this toasted coconut syrup in small batches, and it's absolutely amazing. They make it from fresh coconut. And what you're gonna notice sometimes is as this syrup settles, you're going to get chunks of coconut fat in it. It's not going bad. It's just from natural coconut, you're going to get coconut fat. And also to remember, if you refrigerate your coconut milk, that it might also separate and you'll get some coconut fats in that. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut syrup and a little drop or 2 of almond syrup, also co-branded from Lieber & Co. Small batch produced. Then you'll pour all of that over your ice. And your drink is almost ready. Last but not least, you have to make it look super cute. So you'll throw some whipped cream on there. Drizzle a little chocolate syrup on the top. And sprinkle some toasted coconut, which is also included in your Bean Hoppers cold brew kit. Oh my God, look how cute that looks. And delicious. Throw your straw in it and share it with somebody you love. Cheers, enjoy. Oh my God, that is so good. This is one of my favorite drinks. If you subscribe to Bean Hoppers cold brew kit, you're going to get a mason jar cup to make your drinks in. You're going to get a stir spoon, all the ingredients to make your recipe, including the coffee and a brewing bag to brew the cold brew in. However, I do like making it in the toddy maker with the cold brew bag. You're gonna get all the ingredients: the toasted coconut syrup, the almond syrup, the coconut milk, the chocolate, the drink rimmer, the drink topper, all in one kit. So, and then later on, if you love this drink, which I absolutely know you will because it's amazing, you can go back and order full-size jars of all the ingredients and make it however many times you want. So, enjoy, cheers. It's delicious. I love it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my station for more recipes, and have a great day.